viewers, this is Karuna, back to my channel. Friends, like all my previous videos, today also I am giving an information around the world through this bulletin. Authorities in the Australian city of Melbourne now have confined people living in 9 housing estate tower blocks because of an outbreak of coronavirus. A 5.2 magnitude earthquake struck Mongolia on Saturday afternoon at a depth of 10 kilometers was initially determined to be at 47 degrees north latitude and 116.3 degrees east longitude. There was no immediate reports of the damage. 15 people were found without vital signs and 9 others are missing due to massive flooding triggered by torrential rain in the southwestern part of Japan. The Hong Kong Secretary for Security John Lee says Canada's decision to suspend its extradition treaty with Hong Kong is a political more overriding the rule of law. Australia's second most populous state, Victoria, reported its biggest jump in coronavirus cases since late March on Saturday, forcing it to expand stay-at-home orders to 2 more than surveys, sending 9 public housing towers in a complete lockdown. Argentina's economy is expected to contract by 12% in 2020. A monthly central bank roll of analysts showed worse than the previous estimate of a 9.4 decline as output is ravaged by measures to tame the coronavirus outbreak. Canada's biggest lenders confirmed that they had joined a widespread boycott of Facebook begun by US civil rights groups seeking to pressure the world's largest social media platform to take concrete steps to block hate speech. The United Kingdom government released a list of 50 or so countries which it now deemed were safe to travel to, lifting inbound quarantine restrictions on such nations. Boris Johnson said the virus was under control in the listed destinations irrespective as to whether they were accepting British travellers or not. Russia said that it recorded more than 10,000 deaths from the coronavirus, a toll that is still far lower than in other countries with major outbreaks. Pubs in England reopened for the first time since late March, bringing cheer to drinkers and the industry but fears of public disorder and fresh cases. As the number of dead from coronavirus shoots up in Brazil, the popularity of President Jair Bolsonaro remains unchanged. For the supporters, the president has done nothing wrong despite over 63,000 deaths and 5.5 million infections. Air France management said it planned to eliminate 7,580 jobs at the airline and its regional unit by the end of 2022 because of the coronavirus crisis. After suicide attempts, flights erupting on board and migrants jumping into the sea, charity SOS Mediterranean launched on an emergency alert demanding to be allowed to immediately disembark at a safe port. Canada suspended its extradition treaty with Hong Kong to protest the tough new national security law China enacted in the financial hub. It is also halting exports of sensitive military gear to Hong Kong and updating its travel advisory for the city. These are all the news about today. Please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe also. Signing off today. Bye-bye.